Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the flickering on your TV on your PlayStation 5 Pro. So maybe there's an issue with the transfer rate. So we want to go to Settings right here and scroll on down to where it says Screen and Video. Then under Video Output, go to the right and scroll on down. And there's a specific setting here for video transfer rate. Adjust the transfer rate of 4K and 8K video output. If your screen flickers, try selecting -1 or -2 to limit the transfer rate. So we have it set to automatic. Try -1. If that doesn't work, go to -2. And then you can also go to learn more to read more about this issue. So hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.